Welcome back to RotoCityTech. Today I am back home and we are going to install some steps on my dad and mom's camper. These are I think they're Solid Step brand by Lippert, I think that's how you say it. But we're going to put those on the back here where they enter the main part of the camper. Then also the deeper first step when you step out of the camper. So stay tuned, I'll show y'all how we put these on. But these are called, it's upside down, but Solid Step. So we're going to get these installed right here. So there's the box. We're going to get this opened up, go from there. Well, let's pull them out. So here it's got the deeper step for the first step that you come out, some grip tape, and the adjustable legs here. Alright, so the first step, we are going to remove these current steps. If you look in here, you'll see we have 4 of these bolts. They look like they're 1/2 inch or so. I'm going to go grab a socket and we'll get these taken out. Better watch my leg.
Yep.
Just in case. Steps are removed, so we'll just get these out of the way. Next thing we're going to do is take off this little transition piece so that we can mount up our plate, and then we can later on install this afterwards. Now that that transition piece is removed, sitting up there, we are going to lift up the stairs into position and center them in the doorway. This is where we're going to use a tape measure. We are going to measure that both sides are equal here and here. So after we made sure we had 4 inches here and 4 inches here on our camper anyways, you then pop this out and you'll notice there's this hinge here that's folded underneath and it needs to stay underneath. Pop that little plug out and we're going to drill straight through here with our bit to install our bolt. So next we're going to put a bolt through that hole and then a bolt through this hole, and then on the bottom side we're going to put our backing plate and then a flat washer, lock washer, and a nut. Underneath here we have our backer plate and then we have our bolts. We're just going to tighten these up. Got us a bit of a rainstorm going on, so we got those two tight. Now we have to adjust this, which these, you just got to loosen these two here so that this whole assembly can slide to the door, and then tighten up that. Once we get that all adjusted, we can put in the remaining 8 of those and we'll be good. So we'll loosen those up. should be able to slide that whole assembly. All the way to the door. Just like that. And now we will tighten those bolts. And then we'll do the same for this side. Now that we've gotten both sides tight, we give it a little shake, make sure it's secure, and then we can
adjust that motor.
Yeah. Now we can move on, and now we just have to install the 8 of them here. That one there, and then these. So we're going to do that and get back. So the rain has kind of stopped, but we're going to come out here and drill the rest of these holes and put all of our nuts and washers on them. And this just requires a little bit of adjustment. All these can loosen up. You just gotta make sure that you're latched on strong there by adjusting these and sliding this bracket, and then we are locked in place. So we're gonna finish getting those bolts secured, and we'll get back on and show you all the full operation. Alright, we'll give you a look down here. There is our bottom bracket and all of our bolts, everything tightened up. The underbelly stretched with it, and it did okay. It kind of made a hole right here that we can fill with some silicone, and right here, but other than that, it did okay. So now let's look at the operation. Alright, so then, yeah, all I gotta do is pull the yellow handle, it releases it, folds it down. Make sure your feet, let's twist these back, pull it up. Pull this up real quick. Your feet. There you go. Now we're just going to reinstall our transition piece. And it has 3 screws, but we'll just do the 2 because that bracket is in the way for the 3rd one. But there, that is installed. And these are adjustable legs here. You just remove those pins and slide those out. But otherwise, twist that. Down they fold. Now we can put our little plugs back in here. And complete the installation of our solid steps. And test them out. Very nice. So that is a full installation of the Lyford solid steps on this camper. And next time you see these, they're going to be camping. So stay tuned. See y'all then.